Taking the time to truly understand what type of ads and messaging can work for you is key. If you're anything like me, you probably love seeing real examples of ads that work. This is why I recommend you to spend time looking at success stories Facebook has collected to learn more about how real businesses advertise on the platform. Credits: Facebook business examples, like this Uber Eats campaign, give you a goal for the campaign, the results, a brief, and real examples of the ads used, a wealth of information. This resource also reminds us that whether you're in e-commerce, a corporate business like LinkedIn, a brand like Guinness, or an online coach looking to launch a program, you can make ads work for you. Facebook ads for retargeting. Your top of the funnel content must be intellectually divorced from your product but emotionally wed to it. When evaluating whether Facebook ads are worth your time, you need to consider the power of retargeting. With custom audiences such as a customer list or website traffic, remember, you'll need to install a Facebook pixel for that. You can create efficient ads for warm leads and master retargeting. Why is retargeting important for Facebook ads? Because by retargeting warm leads from your whole website, or specific pages, or a customer list, like MailChimp or an existing database, you can upsell anything to people who already know you and love you. E-commerce integration can go as far as targeting people who did not purchase your product or stopped at checkout with Facebook custom conversions. I specialize in ads for digital campaigns and personal brands, yet I also use custom conversions when looking at big launches. Retargeting is a powerful strategy for your Facebook ads. Simple tips to make your ads work: photo by neon brand on and splashes. Setting up, running and analyzing Facebook ads will take time and effort. You need to spend a day or two getting familiar with the platform, understanding how it works, and setting up your key audiences to make ads work for you. I know just clicking on Boost Post can definitely be tempting when you have little time to spend on marketing. But you need to do more if you want your Facebook ads to succeed. This series of tips can work. You can read full post on cryptofans. News, link available in text below.